Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Phil.
We're the founders of Pierogi Therapeutics, and we have a question for the audience. Please raise your hand if you or a loved one has ever been diagnosed with cancer. Me too. I was diagnosed with testicular cancer about 10 years ago, and I am standing here today because of the miracle that is modern medicine. But I was lucky. People die from cancer every day for the simple fact that we don't have the drugs to effectively treat them. So why don't we just create new drugs? Well, traditional drug discovery is really hard and crazy expensive. We're talking decades of work and billions of dollars invested in each new drug that hits the market. At Pierogi Therapeutics, we know there's a better way to do this. About a quarter of costs are currently stranded in early stage experimentation. We're using our validated, AI-accelerated virtual screening pipeline to dramatically reduce our partners' timelines and costs. We are the AI brains behind their operation. Our workflow combines physics-based simulations with a modern AI framework. It massively increases the accessible search space while compressing timelines and reducing costs. We've already been approached by multiple companies inquiring about partnering with us. We're hoping to close our first deal within the next 4 weeks. But our unique value is that we are going to be the first AI drug discovery company to dive into the radiopharmaceutical space. Radiopharmaceuticals, a class of personalized medicine oncology drug, incorporate a radioactive isotope for both diagnostic imaging and therapeutic purposes. We are currently focused on a next-generation isotope, astatine-211, with incredible medical potential that only became commercially accessible last year. The virtual screening market is growing rapidly, and yet no current company can service the needs of the even faster-growing radiopharmaceutical industry. Our platform will be the only tool allowing partners to screen billions of drug candidates at dramatically reduced timelines and costs, and we are planning a soft launch this August. How are we going to pull this off? Well, we have an expert, cross-disciplinary team with years of experience working together on and winning real-world drug discovery competitions against the best in the business. We're talking Merck, Bayer, Harvard, MIT, Google, even a Turing Award winner. We're asking for $50,000 and $100,000 in compute to help us maintain our first-to-market edge. Our ultimate goal, become an indispensable player in this nascent industry and eventually develop our own pipeline of life-saving medicines. Thank you.
Well, you have to tell us about the name.
Well, it's a fun story. The type of calculations we like to perform, they're called alchemical binding free energy calculations. This is the physics aspect of our approach. So we thought, let's find an alchemy name. Turns out all the good alchemy names are taken. Okay, we're all in Pittsburgh. We all love this town. Let's find a good Pittsburgh name. Steel RX, taken. And then I'm like, okay, how about pierogi? Everyone laughs, goes, yes, that's it. And here we are.
So I have a question. Again, this would be awesome if it works. So the proof is sort of in the pudding. And according to your business plan, you guys have indeed won a drug prediction or some kind of a discovery competition. But when I dug into that one didn't look like it was radiopharma. That looked like it was normal. And your main thing you're saying here is you're going to be the first to do radiopharma. So now how do you explain that your victory in a non-radiopharma contest translates into this domain that nobody knows how to do?
Our technology is directly applicable to the radiopharmaceutical space, and I think it's crazy that no one's found this out yet and that no one's doing it. So we are going to be the first one that extends this technology. Why can't you do it currently? Because radiopharmaceuticals use exotic elements that you would never want near you in a normal drug. So none of the software that you use for normal drug discovery works with it. It's not designed to work with it. But can you extend it into it? Yes, and we are hitting the ground running, doing just that.
Right, but my question was just the heart of this is the technical risk. So if you mentioned that you won a contest, and that's cool, that's really good. But the issue is that contest is not this technical risk. So the question I have is, what evidence do you have that you will be able to overcome this technical risk? You're saying you have this research that does this, but is there evidence that shows that this is going to work somehow?
Well, I would say that we've done it for other aspects of chemistry. We are going to approach this just like another chemical problem, just like another physical problem. The same governing laws of physics govern all of these molecules. So when we push this forward, there are some technical differentiators. I don't have time to go into that in detail, but we have thought about it, we've looked at it, we have a game plan to do it, and we're confident that we'll be able to execute and succeed.
So you've talked about how you're going to succeed. How are you going to stop other people who are going to copy you? So AI is known, physics is known, chemistry is known. What protects you from the copycat? Because
we are going to have a proprietary data set that is going to be expensive to replicate. We already have a starting set that we are going to be augmenting with additional training data. And this isn't just something that you can type into ChatGPT and tell it to do it. This is complicated. It requires technical expertise to do and lots of computing power as seen from the business plan. Thank you so much.